In this video, I'm going to discuss with you two stocks that you're asking me for the update for CrowdStrike and memory stocks. What we will do first, memory stocks. Why memory stocks keep falling? So if you will see, notice in the show you the chart in Micron MU. So memory, what is the memory stocks are? Memory stocks are the stocks are semiconductors. They're semiconductor companies that makes chips, DRAM or NAND. So these are used for AI servers, clouds, smartphones, etc., etc. And Micron Technology is one of our stock that we trade in the United States. So why memory stocks are dropping now? Because there are several reasons. First, geopolitical fears. I'm not going to discuss more about that. You already know that. But the main point is Korea market crash. South Korea stock market dropped about 7%, which heavily impact chip stocks, Samsung, etc. And this is why leaders are being sold last. So memory stocks are holding for last. In the bull market, everything AI stocks are sold off, as you know. Software stocks sold off. Mac 7 sold off. What's last behind holding is the memory chip stocks, and they are the leaders. So weak stocks fall first, mid quality stocks fall second, and the leader fall last. So long term, despite current drop, long term outlook is very bullish. So now you know why this is South Korea issue, and then they are sell off the memory stocks. So it also impact US memory stocks as well. So what I'm doing now on the chart. So I'm a technician. I news I know understand. News is the 20%, but 80% is technical and fundamentals. So if you look this guy here, price is below 9 EMA. It gap down. It filled the gap here, as you see in this picture. What's next? So what is next is for day trade levels for tomorrow. 367 or 365 will be a good buy zone for day trade only. And the second level of support will be here at the gap 346. These are the support level 346 and 367 for short swing trades. This is not financial advice. This is my own personal views. So look, guys, here on the monthly chart. Look, guys, here, like here 363 or 367. I'm said before earlier 367 or 363. These are the area where we can go long for a day trade. But if you see honestly, the major support is $300. Not, I don't see any major support in between here. We can make some like here we can say that yeah, 253. We can go see 300 as I show you earlier, because if you I don't see any major sports except 50 moving average or this major sport here 300, 350, and then next level this is major sport 263, and mostly $300 is like a, if you go Bollinger Band is mid band, mostly it's the second level where price jump back to go back to try to reach the 50 moving average back. So long story short, once price lost 50 moving average, normally it also hit 200 moving average. You can check all the trade stocks you have in your portfolio. Look, if the 50 moving average lost, did they hit 200 moving average? Oracle, just name it, and you see, just use the history and find out if this is the case will be. So, and then first level or two, I will getting entry tomorrow here. If you want to date it with me, you can do live with me. The link below on the YouTube. So if you want to, you only want to join for education purpose, you can join us free. Again, link below on the YouTube for the education purpose only. Second thing, CrowdStrike. So let me show you my opinion on CrowdStrikes. So remember, one important thing is understanding the market. Earning alone do not control price action. The chart always matters more. Many times, company reports great earning, the stock rallies overnight, but chart structure is bearish and stock can still drop, like Nvidia, for example. So now looking CrowdStrikes. The first level of CrowdStrike is this CrowdStrike has to be gain 394. Let me see if they already got it. CRWD. No. So the line in the sand is they has to hold 394, and then we are short I'm shorting some stocks for a CrowdStrike, of course, but very small amount. I'm shortening the 2x long CRW something L is 2x long. I'm short the 2x long is only maybe around $9 um, per share for the 2x long. I'm shortening the was just 1,500 shares right now because of the earning. And then if you will see here on my monthly chart, let me go here. So this is our monthly chart, and then go back to CrowdStrike over here. Yes. So look, guys, here. This is 3-month chart, and price holding. Like this is 9 EMA. Control the price. Price hit, bounce back, hit, bounce back, hit, bounce back. It may be the case here. So what is this 9 EMA? 394 and 12 cents. It has to hold above, close above 394. If it's not closing above 394, we are in danger. And the second level of resistance will be $400. Here is a wick. Look, guys, see this wick? I hope you see it. Go here from the top here. Dobbs, look, guys, this is major resistance. How I find it? We have a here, second here, third here. So these are the major sports, resistance now. It was a sport before. And this, let me turn off here. So CrowdStrike has to, but what is next level? So next level will be, in my opinions, I already notify my views to my team. So first level to get long is 385. First strong support 385. When it's a strong support, yes, for a day trade, for a weekly swing trade, that's strong sports. But if it doesn't hold 385, the next level is 350 and 340. And the last level is a 325, is critical sports and last strong defense. So you have to be prepared for next $100, 385, 345, 50, and then 325. So how these get number, I can try to explain you here. We go 325. You can also see 50 moving average monthly chart. Let me see what else we have here. So this is as I said, once price lost 15 moving average, it normally touch 200 moving average. So that's 325 is likely possible if we're not holding three, because it's not a takes years or month. If the price closed tomorrow 394, and then we can see, oh, stories change. But if it doesn't close above 394 or $400, then story remain bearish. So 395, 396 daily doesn't matter if price go 450. But in the end of the day, if the price will not close above 450, 430, then there's no trade. And then, so this is what we're looking at, the 325 critical support. Then we have a next level of, yeah, let me go monthly chart if we can find some support here. Yeah, 340, the last price that just like this line, let me show you. So if you go here, all the way here, look guys here. Right there. So price close just right there before. I show you one more technicals. AVAV, just for education, you see. So let me show you the guys where price stop. Not too many candle here. Only two candles neck to neck. Two candles neck to neck. I connect these lines. Look, guys, price exactly stopped yesterday over there. $202. That's the magic of chart. Bigger time frame. You want to make your trading successful? Use bigger time frame. That's it. There's no indicator here right now. I didn't use any indicators. If I go daily chart, what do you understand here? I go weekly chart. What do you understand here? Head and shoulder pattern, reverse pattern, whatever pattern you call it, that's fine. But if you go 3-month chart, picture clear. Not too much. Price, if close above this green candle, I go long. Until price will not go close above 340, I'm not going long. Question MU, can I go long? Price has to close above. If the price go above 415, I can go long, that's fine. We can go close above 415, I go long, and 415 will be my stop loss if you price come below. But below, I'm not going long. It's that simple. You don't marry to stock, so you have to buy it. No, if close above, I can get, otherwise no. If that's the history, you can see this happen exactly. So now we are talking about AVAV. So, and then 3-month chart tell you what the story will be. And next level of resistance will be here. 220 to 230 if it's close above, just as it did. So next level of resistance 240. If cross 240, then it will be 264. And if cross 264, then all the way back to $400. So thanks for watching. Take care. God bless you.